This is Angel, Gina, and here I am with you. Drunk shots. This goes out to all the broken-hearted drunks. I'm gonna do this one for you.
Actually. Okay.
I'm an American sniper, baby. Transition shots. The last segment will be drunk jumps. First, here we have Kyle Martin. Here you go.
Dun, dun.
Holy shit! Oh my god! Take the camera. I'm gonna do it.
Yeah!
Get up! I'm gonna do my junk. I'm gonna do my junk. You didn't do marijuana. Check this out.
Okay.
Now it's over 30 seconds, but that's